Assalamualaikum and hi. Today my group will present on our group project, which is the Sweetest Milestone. My group member consists of 4 members. I am Nur Ayuni binti Muhammad Suhaimi. Second member is Nurhana Alia binti Johari. Third member is Wan Natasha binti Wan Naziron. Last member is Nur Syafiqah Azura binti Abdurrahim. My group project description is, we are starting a business of premium chocolate. Name of the company is Sweetest Milestone. Our target market is the people who love chocolate. The customer to whom our product will be supplied are to bakery and topping on their cake. Project objective is to provide the customer with the quality product to the best interest of the customer, to ensure a hygiene and clean working environment as we continue to sell safe and tasty products. Last objective is to strive to meet and exceed customers' expectations to ensure a sustainable business relationship. Experience in developing our project is the advantage. Assist in learning on how to make accounts in systematic way. Assist in understanding clearly the process of searching data in an account. The difficulties during the project is poor internet connection and struggling with Excel. Experience during working is no conflict exists. Delegation of tasks using well designed. All discussion went smoothly, and that's all for the intro of our talk. So, this is our homepage, which consists of raw data, monthly sales, sales by type of product, total sale of employees, and the lookup. We have made some hyperlinks on the homepage, which will lead us to see the page that we want to see. Therefore, we can simply click the hyperlink at the homepage to link with the page. Firstly, we go to the raw data. In raw data, it consists of number, ID, month, name of product, price per unit, quantity, sales status, total price, employees, employees ID, and the name of the employee. Next, monthly sales of the product consists of 4 months that are September, October, November, and December. Next, for the sales by type of product for month, the name of the products are Cadbury, Daim chocolate, Ferrero Rocher, and Rice chocolate. Next, for the total sales of employees, there are 8 names of employees and the sum of total price. Next, for the VLOOKUP, the VLOOKUP is about the best seller of the product. It consists of ID, name of product, quantity, sales status, and total sales. Next, I will pass to my friend to explain more about our company's data.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurhana Alia binti Johari. So first, we are using filtering function. Why we are using filtering function? The reason is filtering function will help to easily abstract our require for large data or so much data, more than 5 or 10, to the small set of data. For example, I will show it from the larger data to the smaller set of data. Okay, for example, we want to see only the sales status of medium status instead of other status, which is the high and lower. Okay, we just simply click here and we can see all the data, all the status in at this. So high, low, and medium. So we want to see only the medium status. We just have to simply click on medium and click OK. So it will show only the medium status. It's really easier to find with the filtering data function. So this is the reason why we are using the filtering function. Other than that, we can see all the things that in up here we using the filtering data. Choose the number ID of product month, which is we choose 4 months: September, October, November, and also December. Also the total price, employees ID, and name of employees.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Wanatasha binti 10, and today I will explain about the pivot table 1, which is monthly sale of the product in our company, namely SWEETEST My Store. So here, as you can see, this is the pivot table that I have been created from the raw data in our company. So I will show you the raw data in our company. Okay, here. Okay, here this is raw data in our company. In raw data, we have a number, ID, month, name of product, price per unit, quantity, sales status, total price, employees ID, and name of employee. Okay, we move to the pivot table. Firstly, I will explain about the purpose of using this pivot table. The purpose of using this pivot table is to facilitate of obtaining accurate and also specific data without the need to create complex formula. Moreover, it make one job easier. And this pivot table also can help to find the relationship between data. So this is example data. Graph chart. This is example of graph chart. And the slicer. This is example of the slicer. Next, as you can see, there is also pivot chart. So here this is a pivot chart. This is a sample of pivot chart that have been created based on monthly sale of the product in our company. So I choose some of the product in our company, such as Cadbury, Dine Chocolate, Ferrero Rocher, and Royce Chocolate. This chart and table are interrelated with each other, and to see the relationship between the name of the product and some of the total price. So here this is the name of the product that I have mentioned before. We have a Cadbury, Dine Chocolate, Ferrero Rocher, and Rice Chocolate. And this is the sum of the total price for the Cadbury, which is 2,420. This is for total price for the Dine Chocolate, 6,718. This is for total price for the Ferrero Rocher, 8,100, and this followed by the Royce Chocolate. This is a grand total of the product. This is grand total. Plus, we also analyze the pivot chart to reduce the confusion. Such just insert the data in the row, filter, and so on. Pivot table is actually more convenient and understanding friendly. Okay, I will explain about the slices. This is slices of the pivot table 1. Slices is the tool to get more and specific data for one chocolate for a period of 1 month. For example, if we want for example, if we want to see the monthly sale of February in September, we just simply click in here. Okay, we just click in here. Okay, the February only, the monthly sale of the February only 750, and the dye chocolate is 2,000 and 2,200, and followed by Ferrero Rocher and Royce chocolate. Okay, for this is for the month of September, and if we want to see the another month, we just also simply click the same thing. Okay, the example is October. Okay, this is a monthly sale of the product in October. For the Cadbury, we have 575, and in chocolate we have a 1,500, and followed by Ferrero Rocher and Royce chocolate. Okay, this is for the November. The sale a little bit decrease for the Cadbury, in chocolate, Ferrero Rocher, and Royce chocolate. Okay, this is a monthly sale of the product in December. For the Cadbury, we have only total sale 375 only. In chocolate, we have a 2,200, followed by Ferrero Rocher and Royce chocolate. In this pivot table, we also add the filtering. We also add the hyperlink. Okay, here this hyperlink to be automatically to see the next page or other page. Okay, we just simply click here to see the another page. Okay, that's all for the pivot table 1.
Next, we go to the next pivot table, which is the sale by type of product for a month. We put 4 months for the sale. So this is our table. This table comes from the raw data, which is here. All the data we collect and we making as a pivot table. So the purpose of this usage on this table is will help you to get answer from your data without you to having to write a complex formulas. This table, and it's easy to use and also help you to find the relationship between your data and also can visualize this with a chart. We go to the chart, which is our chart. From this pivot table, we have a pivot chart. This pivot table, we can see the relationship between these two, month and sum of the total price. We can get a grand total in 4 months. Alright, for the second pivot table, we can easily to see the sale product in each month, starting in September until December. For to know the sale of each product in a month, we can click at the filtering. And it will show up like this. We can choose what the product, which is the type of chocolate you want to see the sale of that chocolate. For example, I will choose a Cadbury. And we simply click on what the chocolate we want and click OK. And it will automatically show the sale, even the grand total for all months, and the chart also with effect, which will change automatically on what we choose in filtering before. Next, we have a slicer or slice. This is the slice that we easily to choose. Slicer are a visual filter. Using a slicer, you can filter your data by clicking on the type of data you want, or clicking on the product we want to know the sale. With a report filter, you will have to click several times to pick one product. But with slicer, it is easy a matter of a simple click. Just click what the product or what the or what the data that we want to know of their total sale, total sale. And this is our hyperlink. It will connect with next page when we choose it. I will pass to our next member. Thank you. That's all.
Okay, next we move to pivot table 3, which is the total sale of the employees. So here, as you can see, this is a pivot table that I have been created also from the raw data of our company, which is, let me see the raw data here. So here is raw data. We're still using the same raw data of our company. Okay, we back to the pivot table 3, which is the sale of employee. Firstly, I will explain the purpose of the using of the pivot table. The purpose of the using of this pivot table is to facilitate of obtaining accurate and also specific data without the need to create complex formula. As the same, it is the same purpose, the same purpose why we use the pivot table. As you can see, there is also a pivot chart. This is a pivot chart. This chart and table are interrelated. This is a pivot table. This chart and table are interrelated with each other, and to see the relationship between name of the employee that involved. So here I just insert the name employees, which is Alia, Atira, Muhammad Faris, Nabila Hanim, Nur Ayuni, Nur Shafika Atira, Nur Hana, and one Natasha. And this, okay, this is a list. This is a list of the employees that I have mentioned earlier, and the sum of the total price. The sum of total price, which is every type of chocolate they sell in a monthly basis. Furthermore, we also analyze the pivot chart to reduce the confusion, such as just insert the data in the row, filter, and so on. Pivot table is actually more convenient and understanding friendly. Okay, I explain about the slices. This is a slicer for the pivot table 3. As I mentioned earlier, slices is the tool to get more and specific data for the total sale of employee and one total chocolate sale for a period of 1 month. For example, if we want to see the total sale of the Cadbury, we just simply click here, and the name of the employee that sold of the Cadbury will appear here, and also the total price, the sum of total price. Okay, for the chocolate Cadbury, the employee that sold is Nurhana and one Natasha. So if you want to see the other product which is a dine chocolate, you also can just click here, and this for the dine chocolate, the employee that sale of dine chocolate is Alia and Nabila Hanim. For the Ferrero Rocher is Nur Ayuni and Shafika Atira. And for the Roy chocolate is Atira and Muhammad Faris. This is also have the grand total, the total sale of employees. This is a line chart or graph chart that show to us how the employees sell their product. For example, Alia 3,000, Atira 8,000, Muhammad Faris, and followed by Nabila Hanim, Nur Ayuni, Nur Syafiqah, Nur Hana, and Natasha. That for information, we also analyze this pivot chart to reduce confusion, such as insert the data in the row and filter and so on. And this pivot chart, this pivot table also we insert the hyperlink to be automatically to go the next page or other page. For example, here if we click here, we can go to previous slide, and if we click here, it will go to next slide. And if we
Assalamualaikum, I am Nur Ayuni. I will explain about VLOOKUP. Our group choose the best seller product, which is Royce chocolate. If you look on the table, Royce chocolate have the highest total sale, which is 12,600 ringgit. We using VLOOKUP here because when you type the ID of the product, you can see the quantity, sales and total sales of the product. For example, if I click A01 and enter, it will change to Cadbury. And if I click A02, it will change to Ferrero Rocher. And if I click A03, it will change to Royce chocolate. It will show the quantity, sales status, and total sale. This is our VLOOKUP for our product, Royce chocolate. That's all from our group. Thank you for lending your ears.